Virat Kohli and AB de Villiers anchored the Royal Challengers Bangalore to a commanding 9-wicket win over host Kolkata Knight Riders on Monday. Apple's Chief Executive Officer Tim Cook is coming to India this week. He will meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi over the weekend and is likely to announce the company's plans to manufacture iPhones locally. India's low-cost airline SpiceJet announced a 3-day sale on Tuesday to mark its 11th anniversary. The sale offers domestic air tickets at base fare starting from Rs 511, while fares on foreign routes start at Rs 2,111. Coldplay has released the third single of their latest album called A Head Full of Dreams. This one's called Up&Up and it features a variety of scenes that juxtapose everyday items to create surreal situations. The Obama administration has claimed that the Islamic State has lost considerable ground across Iraq and Syria, including nearly half of the territory it once controlled in Iraq.